As we gather piano tutorial. Here we go. D. So, ang intro, syempre, ulit-ulit lang yun. And then ang chords, D, tapos D over F sharp, tas G, A, ulit, D, make it simple, F sharp minor, tas G, tas A, tas pre-chorus G, knowing well the hearts, or G, knowing G over A, F sharp minor, tapos B minor, tas G, E minor. Okay lang din ng G or E minor, pero mas magandang E minor. Will be A because D, A over C sharp, B minor, tas G. Will be blessed because we came, tapos A, das D, the steadfast love of the Lord never see, G minor, A, D, His mercies, F sharp, never G to an A. They are G, yung kwan nun, then D, A, D, C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, E, G. Knowing well A, tas F sharp minor, begin to B minor, tas E minor. Will be A because we came. Kung pupunta ka ng verse ulit, A ulit. Pero kung tapos na, will be blessed because we came. Will be blessed because we came. Ang pag-end ng isang song, yung ganun, kung gusto nyo, from this part, will be blessed because we came. D. D, F sharp A, D, F sharp A, D, F sharp A, D, F sharp A, D. Ganon. Yun lamang po. Sorry kung late na itong na video. God bless. To God be all the glory.